exhale there. Deep position, Ekam inhale, hands are on the waist. Dway exhale, grab the big toes. Inhale, lengthen. Trini, exhale, fold. Top of the head to the floor.
I don't think I stepped far enough.
Yep. Good. This looks great. Some teachers will say bring your forearms towards your shins. It doesn't matter. You're engaging in all the right places.
For the distance of the feet apart, should you make them far enough apart so your head is on the floor, even if it's like?
Well, that's a good question. Chachwadi, inhale, head up. Exhale there. Pancha, inhale, back to standing. And Samasthiti. So, if, like Lucianne, her feet have to be like almost in the splits to get her head there right now because she's opening her hips, and she'll play with going back and forth with that. Like her head went to the floor for the first time yesterday, right? Because she had her feet so wide apart, which is fine. Now she can keep them active there, you know, she can play with that. Now for, all right, you come up here because I'm gonna give